everyone, and welcome to the Automotive Life. The Alfa Romeo Mito QV does 0 to 100 in around 7.5 seconds. Today we're going to see kind of what that looks like and just have a look at the acceleration basically. Oh, and I'm not going to do a really fast start because you can't turn this car's traction control off, so it bogs off the line. So roll off easily and then flat. Second gear, decent shift. Go third gear, that's 100, 110, 120. Decent acceleration for a small car. I mean, that's 160 already. So they say this car's top speed is 219 kilometers an hour. I think it'll probably do a little bit more than that. Yeah, that's what the acceleration looks like in the Mito QV.